Introduction. Technology is advancing faster than ever, and it's transforming the way we live, work, and connect. From mind-reading machines to AI that can write music, these innovations aren't science fiction. They're here, and they're changing everything. Let's dive into 30 mind-blowing technologies that are shaping our future. 1. Artificial General Intelligence, often called AGI, is considered the holy grail of artificial intelligence. It's the idea of machines that don't just follow instructions or solve narrow problems, but can actually think, learn, and adapt like a human across a wide range of tasks. While we're not there yet, the progress being made in deep learning, neural networks, and large language models is moving us closer than ever before. Each breakthrough brings us a step nearer to building machines with true reasoning and understanding, something that could completely redefine our relationship with technology and reshape the future of work, science, and society. 2. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is one of the most exciting frontiers in modern science. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, ones and zeros, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This gives them the potential to process information at speeds and scales that are simply unimaginable with today's machines. We're still in the early stages, but the implications are massive, from discovering new medicines and revolutionizing material science, to breaking and rebuilding the foundations of cryptography. Quantum computing could unlock answers to problems we haven't even thought to ask yet. It's not just a new kind of computer, it's a whole new way of thinking about information. 3-point CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR is a groundbreaking gene editing technology that's changing the way we understand and treat disease. Think of it as molecular scissors, tools that can precisely cut and modify DNA. This means we can now target the very root of genetic disorders, not just manage their symptoms. It's already being used in experimental treatments for conditions like sickle cell anemia and certain forms of blindness, and the possibilities go even further. In the future, CRISPR could help eliminate inherited diseases altogether, prevent certain cancers, and even enhance resistance to viruses. It's opening the door to a new era of personalized medicine, where healing starts at the genetic level. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are systems that create a direct communication pathway between the human brain and external devices. Instead of relying on physical movement, these interfaces detect and interpret brain signals, translating thoughts into digital commands. Technologies like Neuralink aim to make this possible by implanting ultra-thin electrodes into the brain, allowing users to control computers, prosthetics, or even smart devices, using only their minds. Initially, BCIs are being developed to assist individuals with severe neurological conditions, such as paralysis or ALS, enabling them to communicate, move robotic limbs, or navigate digital environments. But the potential reaches far beyond medicine, into fields like gaming, education, communication, and even military defense. As the technology evolves, we could see a future where typing, texting, or even learning languages is replaced by direct mental interaction with machines. 5. 3D printed organ scientists can now 3D print tissues, and soon full organs, using stem cells. This could solve the organ donor crisis and save millions. 6. Fusion energy. Fusion, the same process powering the sun, could provide limitless clean energy. With recent breakthroughs, commercial fusion may be within reach. 7. Vertical farming. Imagine a farm without soil, without sunlight, without seasons. Vertical farming uses stacked layers, LED lights, and climate-controlled environments to grow food. Anywhere, anytime. No pesticides. 90% less water. A fraction of the land. It's agriculture turned upward, feeding cities from the inside out. In a world of shrinking resources and rising populations, this may be the farm of the future. 8. Smart contact lenses. What if your eyes could do more than see? Smart contact lenses are turning vision into a high-tech interface. These tiny lenses can track your health, monitoring glucose levels, eye pressure, or hydration in real time. But that's just the beginning. Augmented reality overlays could project information directly onto your world. Navigation, translations, even messages, all without looking at a screen. The future isn't in your hand, it's in your eye. 9. Self-driving cars. Imagine a car with no driver. Self-driving vehicles are no longer science fiction. Powered by artificial intelligence, radar, LiDAR, and a web of real-time sensors. They navigate roads, detect hazards, and make split-second decisions without human hands on the wheel. These autonomous machines promise more than convenience. They offer safer streets, fewer accidents, and freedom for those who can't drive. The elderly, the disabled, the tired. The future of mobility is driving itself. 10. Smart homes with AI. What if your home could think? AI-powered smart homes are more than just convenience. They learn your routines, adjust lighting and temperature automatically, and manage energy to save money and the planet. But they go further. From detecting a gas leak to calling for help during a fall, these homes don't just respond, they anticipate. Your house isn't just where you live anymore. It's a living system, quietly watching, learning, and protecting. 11. Augmented reality, AR. 30-second script. Augmented reality doesn't replace the real world. It enhances it. AR overlays digital images, data, and interactions onto your physical surroundings, blurring the line between what's real and what's possible. From immersive gaming and 3D learning to life-saving surgical guidance and architectural design, AR transforms how we see, move, and decide. This is more than a filter. It's a new layer of reality, outstitched right into your world. 12. Biodegradable electronics. What happens to your phone after you throw it away? Most electronics end up in landfills. Toxic, non-recyclable, and piling up. But now, scientists are creating biodegradable electronics, made from natural materials that break down safely in the environment. Circuit boards from silk, sensors from paper. This isn't just green innovation, it's a revolution in how we build and discard technology. The future of tech might just disappear when it's done. 13. AI music and art creation. What if a machine could feel the rhythm, could dream in color, could create like us? AI is now composing symphonies, painting digital masterpieces, and even generating entire films. Pixel by pixel, note by note. It's not just copying us, it's collaborating, blurring the line between artist and algorithm, muse and machine. And as the canvas expands, so does our definition of creativity. 14th, robotic surgeons. Imagine a surgeon who never trembles, who operates with sub-millimeter precision every single time. Robotic surgical systems are transforming medicine, offering minimally invasive procedures with smaller cuts, faster recovery, and fewer complications. Controlled by human hands, enhanced by robotic precision. This isn't replacing doctors, it's empowering them. The scalpel has evolved, and it runs on code. 14th, robotic surgeons. Imagine a surgeon who never trembles, who operates with sub-millimeter precision every single time. Robotic surgical systems are transforming medicine, offering minimally invasive procedures with smaller cuts, faster recovery, and fewer complications. Controlled by human hands, enhanced by robotic precision. This isn't replacing doctors, it's empowering them. The scalpel has evolved, and it runs on code. 16. Smart fabrics. What if your clothes could listen to your body? Smart fabrics are no longer just wearable. They're intelligent. Woven with tiny sensors, these materials can track your heart rate, body temperature, and even hydration in real time. Some can shift color based on mood or temperature. Others can alert you to health issues before you feel them. It's not fashion, it's function. Clothing that cares for you while you wear it. 17. Personalized medicine. What if your treatment knew you better than your doctor did? Personalized medicine is transforming healthcare by using your DNA to guide decisions. No more guesswork. No more one-size-fits-all prescriptions. Instead, treatments tailored to your unique genetic code, maximizing effectiveness, minimizing side effects. It's medicine, made for you. And it's not the future, it's already here. 18. Biometric security. Your face, your voice, even the rhythm of your heartbeat. These aren't just biological traits, they're digital keys. Biometric security is replacing passwords with something uniquely you. Facial recognition, fingerprint scans, iris mapping, and even your walk are now tools to unlock devices, protect data, and verify identity. It's faster, safer, smarter. In a world of rising cyber threats, your body is your password. 19th. Solar paint. 30-second script. Imagine painting your home and powering it at the same time. Solar paint is a revolutionary material that can turn any surface, walls, roofs, even cars, into a clean energy source. It captures sunlight like a solar panel, but it looks and feels just like regular paint. No bulky panels, no design compromise. Just power from every inch of your surroundings. The future of energy? It might just be brushed on. 20. Reusable rockets. 30-second script. Once rockets were single-use, burning billions for every trip beyond Earth. But now, they return. Reusable rockets pioneered by companies like SpaceX land themselves after launch, ready to fly again. This breakthrough slashes costs, accelerates missions, and brings us closer to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. It's not just about launching into space, it's about coming back to go further. 22. Hyperloop transportation. What if you could travel between cities, faster than a jet but on the ground? The Hyperloop is a high-speed pod system that glides through low-pressure vacuum tubes, nearly eliminating air resistance. Imagine going from Los Angeles to San Francisco in 30 minutes, quiet, clean, ultra-fast. It's not science fiction anymore, it's the future of travel being built today.
AI and drug discovery. Discovering a new drug once took years, even decades. But now, artificial intelligence is changing the game. By scanning billions of chemical compounds in seconds, AI can predict which ones might fight disease before they ever touch a test tube. From cancer to rare genetic disorders, this tech is accelerating the journey from lab to life-saving treatment. The future of medicine? It thinks faster than we ever could. 24th, emotion detecting AI. What if machines could sense how you feel? Emotion detecting AI is now learning to read facial expressions, voice tone, and even body language, decoding the subtle signals humans give off every second. From customer service bots that respond with empathy, to cars that sense driver stress. This technology is making human-machine communication more natural than ever. The next generation of AI, it doesn't just understand your words, it understands you. 25th, edible sensors. Imagine swallowing a pill. That tells your doctor exactly how your body is doing, from the inside. Edible sensors are tiny, digestible devices that travel through your system, monitoring things like digestion, hydration, and nutrient levels in real time. They transmit data wirelessly, helping detect issues early, without invasive procedures. It's not science fiction, it's the future of personalized precision healthcare, starting in your stomach. 26. Swarm robotics. In nature, ants build bridges with their own bodies. Bees coordinate with precision. No leader, no chaos. Now imagine robots doing the same. Swarm robotics is a field where hundreds, even thousands, of small machines work together, like an artificial hive mind. They don't wait for commands. They react, adapt, and cooperate, all in real time. In disaster zones, they can map unstable terrain faster than any rescue team. In polluted waters, they can sweep the ocean floor, collecting waste like robotic schools of fish. Each robot is simple, but together they form something brilliant. a decentralized intelligence, a living system made of code and metal, inspired by biology, designed for the future. Swarm robotics isn't just automation, it's evolution in mechanical form. What if aging wasn't a certainty, but a disease we could treat? Anti-aging biotechnology is pushing science to the edge of immortality, exploring ways to slow, stop, or even reverse aging at the cellular level. Researchers are repairing telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA that shorten as we age, and testing age reversal drugs that could rejuvenate cells and extend human lifespan. From gene editing to cellular reprogramming, we're entering an era where growing old might become optional, and youth, programmable. The clock is still ticking, but for how much longer? Thanks. If you enjoyed this journey into the mind-blowing technology, like, share, and subscribe for more educational and informational content. What technology excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below.